In order to use end-to-end encryption and disappearing messages in Facebook Messenger app, you need to go ahead and open the Messenger application first, log into your account, then after, open the conversation or the chat where you want to enable secret conversation. But you won't find a secret conversation option because the features of secret conversations are now available in all chats. To find end-to-end encryption, you need to tap on the username of the conversation or tap on the eye icon in the top. From here, you need to scroll down and there tap on verify end-to-end encryption. Go ahead and tap on that and enable it. If you want to enable disappearing messages, you'll also see the option of disappearing messages under privacy and support. Go ahead and tap on that, then tap on continue and select 24 hours. You can also set a timer for new messages to disappear from the chat. You can now use these features instead of secret conversation option. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.